Tibetan Prayer Flags. Namaste and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Himalayan Singing Bowl, Nepal. We are a company established in 1990 specializing in the manufacturing and export of authentic Nepali crafts and souvenirs worldwide. Today, we will be exploring a unique and world-famous souvenir, the Tibetan Prayer Flags. Disclaimer: please note that all the information provided in this video has been gathered and shared through our intensive experience and research. We apologize for any potential unintended harm or misinterpretation caused by the contents to certain communities, religions, or countries. We always welcome your comments, so feel free to leave them in the comment section below or contact us using the details provided in the description box. Historical background: in ancient times, flags were used to represent communities on the battlefield. A flag is a piece of cloth with a special design that identifies a community, serving as a symbol. Each country has its own unique flag and colors, with each color carrying different meaning according to the place and society it represents. While there is no solid evidence regarding the origin of the flag, there is a legend that suggests a Chinese tribe in the 11th century used a piece of white cloth to identify their descendants. Over time, this cultural identity spread from one country and community to another. Flags have been in use for various purposes, but today we will focus on a special type of flag known as the Tibetan Prayer Flag. Tibetan Prayer Flags. Tibetan prayer flags are made of 5 different colors and can be found in Nepal, India, and Tibetan mountain areas. These flags originated in Tibet and were initially used by soldiers to identify themselves on the battlefield. They were also used during victory celebrations and various festivals. Buddhist monks would inscribe religious mantras in ancient Sanskrit and Tibetan languages on these flags, aiming to spread peace, prosperity, growth, and compassion throughout the world. According to Buddhist mythology, the Tibetan prayer flag has been in use since the time of Gautam Buddha, the founder of Buddhism. However, there is no concrete proof of this belief. Various scriptures mention that when God had to fiercely battle with the Asuras for the protection of the earth, they carried these prayer flags and emerged victorious. Buddhist religious leaders also considered the Tibetan prayer flag as an ancient tradition used in traditional healing practices. The 5 different colors used in the prayer flags symbolize the balance of 5 elements, with blue representing the sky, white representing wind, red representing fire, green representing water, and yellow representing earth. The Tibetan prayer flag signifies the possibility of a harmonious world. Hence, the use of these 5 different colors, maintaining the balance among these 5 different elements, is crucial for the well-being of the world. Significance and placement. It is best to place the Tibetan prayer flag in high locations, preferably on mountain tops. Saturday, Sunday, or Friday is considered as auspicious days for hanging new flags or replacing old ones. Old ones should not be carelessly discarded because they contain sacred mantras. According to Tibetan tradition, it is appropriate to burn them. Hanging prayer flags inside the house can help remove negative energy and bring positive vibes. The presence of prayer flags can also bring a sense of calmness in the mind, body, and soul. Students who keep prayer flags in their rooms may find it helpful for studying, and people of any religious communities can experience peace in their homes. Prayer flags can also be displayed in temples. In hilly regions in Nepal, prayer flags are commonly hung on hilltops. symbolizing peace and well wishes for those who chant mantras to reach their destinations without delay. It is a tradition to remove the old flag and replace it with new one in the same location. The older the prayer flag, the more potent its mantras is considered to be. Prayer flags are ideally placed where the wind can freely blow them. Symbolism and mantras. Most Tibetan flags have a picture of a horse engraved on them. Although other symbols can also be found, the horse is a symbol of speed, and there is a religious belief in Nepal that a picture of a horse can transform bad luck into good luck. The mantra Om Mane Padme Om is written commonly on the flags. These mantras represents the compassion mantra of Buddhism and sends a message of mercy to all corners of the world. These cotton flags also contain many divine teachings. Tibetan Prayer Flag terminology. In Nepali and Tibetan languages, Tibetan prayer flags are called Lungta, Lungdar or Darchok, which translates to wind horse. According to Buddhist beliefs, spiritual mantras gradually reach the world with the speed of the wind, hence the association with the wind horse. We, the Himalayan Singing Bowl company in Nepal, produce and distribute these types of flags worldwide. If you are interested in acquiring spiritual flags like this, we would be honored to serve you. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. To place an order, please contact the WhatsApp number provided in the description box below. Thank you and Namaste.